Welcome to BNE Product News, supporting specifiers and buyers on the move. All headlines on this audio podcast are linked to construction and building services sector and associated manufacturing and energy-focused product news items currently available on businessnetexplorer.com. First, the latest product news in the electrical segment. The UK's leading cable management manufacturer, Marshall Tuflex, is the latest manufacturer to feature in a BusinessNet Explorer BNE Product News Special Edition Viewpoint Interview podcast. Earlier this month, Marshall Tuflex's Technical Services Manager, Nick Haler, and I discussed exciting updates to their popular Sterling range and how they have invested in new manufacturing technology to assist them in bringing new product developments to market quicker. You can hear the interview by visiting www.businessnetexplorer.com and clicking on the BNE Product News audio podcast playlist and then choosing the Marshall Tuflex interview. Now for news focused on the mechanical and HVAC sections of the industry. Mitsubishi Electric has produced a free CPD-accredited guide to the new Energy-Related Products Directive, or ERP, which is a key part of the European Union's drive to encourage consumers to use more energy-efficient products. The ERP directive, which came into force at the end of September, now means that commercial and residential heating products will need to display an energy label so that consumers can quickly understand the energy efficiency of the products they purchase. A similar market transformation strategy has already proved highly successful with consumer goods such as fridges and freezers, where it is now very rare to find anything below an A-rated product available on the high street. To highlight the requirements under ERP, Mitsubishi Electric has also released a short video which explains how the directive is designed to help phase out lower performing products whilst having a positive impact on the emissions levels across Europe and increase the share of renewable energies by 20%. The dedicated video can be viewed at the company's YouTube channel. The National Memorial to the Few at Capel Le Fern on the famous White Cliffs between Dover and Folkestone in Kent has been redesigned and updated with a stunning new building, shaped like an iconic Spitfire aircraft with its sweeping wings. Independent LG distributor, LGCC, has had the privilege of supplying the air conditioning and heating services for the new state-of-the-art centre, bringing together the latest variable refrigerant flow technology and heat recovery ventilation units in a unique energy-saving combination. Using the LG Multi-V Series 4 heat recovery VRF system, LG, through distributor LGCC, has supplied a 32 horsepower, 2-module inverter-driven outdoor unit connected to two 10 large ducted internal units and two 4-way air discharge cassettes connected through 5 heat recovery distribution boxes. LGCC has also supplied cooling for the server room. In addition, there are 3 LG heat recovery ventilation units installed for the supply and extract of fresh air. These are supplied with CO2 sensors. Remote zonal control is included, but overall building control is achieved by LG's AC Smart Intelligent Centralised Controller. Remote return air sensors are also installed in zones to ensure accurate control of space temperature. All LG outdoor unit coils are treated with LG's Gold-Fin epoxy coating as standard to inhibit corrosion. This will be particularly relevant at this site due to the air's salinity and the memorial's proximity to the coast. And finally, our construction segment headlines. A big problem when designing an extension is what to do where the roof pitch is limited by existing windows or pipework. Using a matching natural slate or clay or concrete plain tile has always been out of the question, but Clober's new underlay, Permo Extreme RS SK Square, can be used at 12.5 degree with profile tiles or 15 degree with flat tiles or slates. This provides complete flexibility with tile selection and avoids the need to use unsightly large format concrete tiles which just weren't designed for small roofs. Permo Extreme is tear resistant and has double self-adhesive strips which provide a permanent seal of lapse. It provides immediate weather protection, water driven to the top of the tiles being carried between the counter battens to the gutter. This is a job that standard vapour permeable underlay are not designed to do. Perma-Extreme is best laid onto 12mm plyboard or OSB sarking board. This makes sealing lapse easy and avoids the need for care when determining drape between rafters. Standard counter battening is employed with ventilation at or near the ridge with cold roof construction. Clober Butilon tape must also be used beneath counter battens to seal around any nail penetrations. Creating flawless brick face soffits and lintels has now become much simpler and quicker, thanks to a new lightweight stainless steel based system developed by two industry-leading companies, brick support specialist Ancon Building Products and Ibstock Kevington, national manufacturer of brickwork and masonry special shapes and prefabricated components. The new Nexus system combines a specially developed Ibstock Kevington lightweight brick face steel unit with Ancon's tried and tested MDC stainless steel bracket angle support system. The system offers contractors easier handling, coupled with maximum adjustability, both vertically and horizontally, for quick and simple alignment on site. The new system offers considerable benefits over traditional cast concrete alternatives, cutting weight by more than half, which in most cases will allow the brick face units to be installed without specialist lifting equipment, and significant savings in installation time, making it particularly appropriate for fast-track or time-limited projects. Individual Nexus units are designed and prefabricated off-site to suit different soffit dimensions, even modern deep soffits, so there is no cutting required on site. They are simply offered up to the prefixed and pre-drilled Ancon MDC support system and then bolted into position using T-head bolts. The quality design allows units to be simply adjusted for perfect alignment, and once in position, all that is left is for the brick facing to be pointed for a seamless match with the main brickwork. In line with its global reputation for developing reliable, high-performance fixing systems for demanding construction environments, Ancon's latest launch is a range of reinforcing bar couplers designed to operate at cryogenic temperatures. Typical applications include the construction of steel-lined concrete storage tanks for refrigerated liquefied gas. Independently tested with cryogenic grade rebar at a cool -165 degrees centigrade to the requirements of EN 14620-3, the new Ancon CTT range of couplers is available to suit bars from 12mm to 32mm diameter. Featuring a tapered thread to simplify bar alignment and engagement and reduce the chances of cross-threading, CTT couplers are compact in design, so are ideal for use where space is tight and can be installed quickly and easily, minimising construction time and costs. The range comprises standard couplers to join bars of the same diameter, transitional couplers for bars of different diameters, and positional couplers where neither bar can be rotated. A new technical brochure on the CTT coupler range is available to download at www.ancon.co.uk/cryo. So there are the latest product news headlines for the construction and building services sector. Full items and support images can be found on businessnetexplorer.com, along with a powerful search facility to access all available product news content from leading and up-and-coming brands. Items include product launches, application stories, case studies and exhibition appearances. Why not follow us on Twitter at BNE Product News? We tweet headlines with links to all items as they are published. You can also join the BusinessNet Explorer Club and receive information regularly by email. www.businessnetexplorer.com, supporting business to business. This audio podcast is powered by businessnetexplorer.com and is a Giant Peach New Media production.